And your pump is ready. Your hoses are ready right here. Rubber hoses, I'm sorry, that you requested. All of them are steel braided hoses, as you can tell. This is very heavy duty. And then you got your throttle control, as you requested. It's right here. This is your system, which and then your 6-function remote control, as you request. The remote control, the idea is to place it in here, inside of this, so it won't get lost. You're also gonna get a new kit, a makeup kit for all your electronics here, in case that something goes wrong, you know, in case you burn up something or whatever, you can use that. Also, you're gonna have your new, you turn it on from here. Okay, turn it on, please. There you go. You got your new receiver, as requested, brand new, with your brand new remote control. She's ready to go. And this is the serial number.